Hi, welcome to Path to Wellness. I'm Miriam and I'm so excited because I am using my new camera today. I got this camera from my parents. Thank you, Mom and Daddy, for this lovely camera. I got to open this up early for Christmas, so I'm super excited about that. I'm trying not to look at myself and trying to look at you guys. So anyway, today I want to talk to you about sugar. Yes, sugar. Anyway, my kids are sick again. So last weekend, I let them have a lot of sweets at a holiday party. I didn't think it was actually that much. It was a candy cane, plus they each had a big frosted cookie. And anyway, yeah, they're sick. So sugar, there's research out there. If you're interested, you can just Google it. Sugar suppresses the immune system. It depletes the body of a lot of minerals. And so it's just not good for overall health. And I've been trying to be like in moderation when it comes to sugar, and for my kids to just let them enjoy sugar, you know, once in a while, but not have a ton all the time. And I don't think that's really working. So what we are going to do this Christmas is we are having one package of Lebkuchen cookies from Trader Joe's because I've already purchased those. We will be doing Christmas Eve at our church and having some fellowship. I may let the kids have one cookie there, plus half to one cookie on Christmas. And that's really all the sweets we're gonna do. I've decided not to bake more sweets. I'm not even going to bake sweets with maple syrup and honey because I think we just have enough sweets. The other thing that it's made me realize is that I really need to boost the amount of vitamins that my kids eat in their foods, but also that they take as supplements. So that's something that I'm going to be working on during this next year, and upping their probiotics so that they have healthy immune systems and can not just catch every sickness that comes by. But on another note, I'm not sick and I've been healthy since February. So if I could just get my kids to eat their veggies and take their supplements like I do, that would be great. Comment below about what do you think about sugar? Does your family eat sugar? How much? Like, are you baking a lot? Have you noticed it impact your health or not? So anyway, I'm curious to know. I hope you have a good day. Bye.